Hello friends, welcome to my alcove. This is Karan and today we'll be preparing a Mexican style cottage cheese spread. Let me just share the basic information. This is basically a Mexican take on our cottage cheese and we can use this as a spread which we will be making from this cottage cheese. We can also use this as a basic cottage cheese for sandwiches or crumble it and sprinkle on top of grilled vegetables. So let's start. In a saucepan, add whole fat milk. You can add some extra cream to increase the fat content as it results in a creamier cottage cheese. Whisk it for a bit while it comes to a boil. Once it boils, put it on simmer and we can start adding the flavorings. You can find the exact recipe on our blog, the link to which will be in the description down below. So the first ingredient that we'll add to this would be chili flakes, followed by chili powder, paprika powder, some jeera powder. Next up is finely chopped bell peppers, the red, green and yellow. We'll add some chopped jalapenos, some chopped green chilies, a little bit of chopped garlic. To this we'll add some freshly squeezed lemon juice which helps to split and curdle the milk. Now some salt to taste and a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. The freshly cracked black pepper is followed by a couple of dashes of Tabasco for the tang. Once the milk solids are separated from the whey, switch the flame off and strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. Once it is strained, it will look something like this. You can let it strain for some time to form a block to be used later, or you can make the spread from the fresh and soft cheese. Now we've taken a little bit of the soft cheese for the spread. To this we'll add some cream to make it spreadable. In case you don't have cream, you can add some milk to it. The purpose of this is to make the mixture easy to spread. You can also add some mayonnaise or cheese spread. Now that this is ready to use, you can top it up on freshly baked bread slice or store-bought bread. These can be toasted or raw. The spread can be eaten cold, or you can put it in the oven and bake it for a minute to warm it up. You can use it in grilled sandwiches and paninis or as a topping on bruschettas and canapes. Please try and comment on how you liked it and if there are any suggestions. Also like, share and subscribe to our channel. Well, this is ready. Let's give this a taste now, shall we? It's creamy, spicy, peppery, tangy. It's quite great. Just go ahead, give it a try. You will not be disappointed. See you the next time. Thank you. Take care.